Hello everyone. Welcome back. Yes, welcome back. This evening I've told you I will continue with the rest of the puzzles, not of today's newspaper. Today's newspaper is Friday, October the 8th, 2021. I've told you we have only two puzzles, Sudoku Light and Sudoku Heavy in this newspaper. No additional or extra Sudoku, so I've decided to solve the edition of Tuesday, October the 5th, 2021, because yesterday there was also no additional, so I've solved the rest of the puzzles of Wednesday, and this one is the day before. Yeah, Tuesday we have here 4 extra Sudokus left. Sudoku number 1 with 1 star, then we have 2 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. So 4 extra Sudokus in the Tuesday edition of October the 5th. Yes. And the first one is a Sudoku with 1 star. This will be number 3508. 3508. Alright, 3508. And before I start, I always count the printed digit. Well, this one, as usual, 27 printed digits. Yes. This one has 27. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, and for 1 star Sudoku, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, we will see if this is really a 1 star. The previous Sudoku Heavy, has also 27 printed digits. Well, I didn't manage to be faster than 50 minutes. Instead of 50 minutes, 20 minutes. Yeah, it was a tough one. Of course, it's Sudoku Heavy, so we'll see if this is really a 1 star. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in this column. So no 2 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, 1 is missing. 2, 3 and a 4 is missing. 1 and a 4. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 6. We have an 8 and a 6 in this column. So no 8 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. The 8 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 6. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. Alright. 2 in this row. 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 2 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, only place for the 4 should be here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. Alright. Then. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about 9 in this row. 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here. Or there, we see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the... Oh, I'm missing a 9 here. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 3 places for the 9 could be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. There 9, no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be here. Now I can count, and all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. All right. Then. 2 in this row, first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. You see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Alright. Then. I'm thinking. 6. Then. How about? 8. How about the number 5. 5. Here should be the 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. There 5, no 5 here. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers now. Those missing numbers are 1, 2. The 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, 5 and 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6. And look, we have a 3 and a 4 in this row. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. The 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. 3 and a 4. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 digit left in the last column for the number 6. Alright. Let me think. 6 and 7. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Alright. 7 in this column. 7 in the last column. So the column between. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And we have a pair, I believe. A 7 and an 8 in the last row. 7 and an 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 8. 7 and 8. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between, the only place for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. How about 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Alright. Alright. Let me see. And we have a pair, I believe. No, not quite. No. False alarm. 1 box left in the middle column. It should be the 4. Yes, 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 4 in the last column. 4 in the column next. On that column, the only place for the 4. I should be there. 4. Okay. Then. 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. You see that 2? No 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be here. Alright. Okay. 1, 8, 4. Let me think. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8. And look, we have 1 and 4 in the middle row. So no 1 and 4 in this box. The 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 are missing. Alright. 4 in the third column. 4 in the third row. 4 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see therefore no 4 there. Therefore no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be here. 1 box left in the first column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have a 7 and 8. The other pair should be the 1 and the 2 and a 3. 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8. Let me think. 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8. Let me mark those. 2 numbers left. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6. 3 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 3 goes there. And now we have a 7 there. So this box is going to be 7 and more. That box should be a 7 and this box should be an 8. Now we have an 8 there. So this box is going to be 8 and more. That box should be an 8 and this box should be a 1. One box left in this row. The second row for the number 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 8. We see an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 1 and a 3. In this big square, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finished in 14 minutes. Faster than 15 minutes. Definitely a 1 star. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, a 2 stars Sudoku I will solve. See you then. Bye-bye for now.